Good morning, class. Welcome again in WAPSP Learning. I am your English teacher Matulika Devidi. Class, as we have completed the explanation of the poem "The Road Not Be Taken" by Robert Frost, and this is the second poem in your book written by Robert Frost. First was the Stopping by Woods, and this poem the road not taken. So, class, now you have to write the poem, draw the picture, and write the word meaning of the poem. There are only 5 word meaning which you have to write in your copy. Class, again was the poem, was the video of the poem where were the explanation, and then write the poem in your copy. Draw the picture also. You have to write 2 stanza only, and then learn poem. And class, now today you have to write, after doing this work you have to write word meaning in your copy. There are only 5 word meaning, and from tomorrow I will start chapter number 6, no further than Mandya. This is a story of 2 boys, and I will explain it in detail tomorrow. Now today you have to just write the word meaning of the poem. The first word is better claim. Better claim. Better right to make a demand. To make a demand. Diverge. Separated and went in different direction. Means the road was separated in and they were going on in 2 different direction. Means 2 different sides. Hence means from now, from this time, means just, immediately. Trodden, trampled and flattened, means less used. Undergrowth means bushes, grasses and shrubs. Bushes, grasses and shrubs. So class, these 5 meanings you have to write in your copy, and you also have to write the poem 2 paragraph and draw the picture also. Class, write the poem and draw the picture and write the word meaning and learn it. I will again tell you the story of the poem. The road not taken means the poet is standing in between 2 roads in a forest. Wood means forest, and he has to choose any one way, any one road to go ahead to find something new and something interesting. But he was little confused, miss. What would my life have been like if I had chosen to do something else? Means he had a doubt whether there will be a danger or not. He will be able to come back again or not. So this is but he decided to choose the less used road to go, and there may be something very interesting or some danger also. About the poet, do you remember who Robert Frost is? Where was he born, and when did he live? Find another poem in this book that was written by him. I told you na class कि this is the second poem of Robert Frost. You have to find out the another poem which was written by Robert Frost. The Road Not Taken is a well-known and well-loved poem. Quite simply, the poem is about the road not taken by the poet on one of his walk. The poet is curious to know what the path he did not walk down would have been like. At a deeper level, a poet is asking, what would my life have been like if I had chosen to do something else? Again, the same thing, class, means he has to choose. There were 2 roads and he has to choose one road and he chose the second road which was unused by the people, and he is thinking about how would be his life after choosing this road. So class, complete the work, and from tomorrow we will start a new chapter.